Now, social media influencer Apurva Mukhija and YouTuber Ashish Chanchalani, who appeared as guests on the show India's Got Latent in the very same episode as Ranveer Elabadia, have said in their statement to the police that the show is not scripted. The judges and the participants are told to talk rather openly. So they've dismissed all of the speculation that Beer Biceps had actually had a script and that he read it out. But they're saying, no, that's not the case. We chose to say whatever we wanted to. There was no script. There was no payment also, because this was done as a favor. They're all purportedly friends, so they turned up at this particular show. Now, also what they've told the cops, what we're hearing is that they've said the judges have the freedom to post the content of the show on social media. And this is why they decided to be a part of it. Divyesh Singh is joining us with more details on this. Divyesh, you're seeing this kind of a crackdown right now by the Mumbai police, where every single person who's been a guest on the show is being brought on board, is being booked, is being summoned. Why is that? Is this a crackdown now against Ranveer Elabadia, or is this a crackdown on the show itself?
Well, Akshita, there are two fronts. There are two different investigations, or rather, one is an inquiry and another is an investigation. The inquiry is being conducted by the Khar police, under whose jurisdiction the show was shot. The show was shot at a studio named Habitat, which falls under jurisdiction of Khar police station, and that is why Khar police station has started recording statements. They recorded statement of Apurva Mukhija and Ashish Chanchalani and 4 others associated with the show. They've also summoned Samay Raina, who is sought time because he's in the US on a tour, and he sought time till March, but cops told Samay Raina's manager that he has to appear within 14 days. The inquiry cannot be kept pending for so long. Another part, there is a FIR registered by the Maharashtra Cyber Nodal Police Station. This is an investigation, and in this investigation, all, including the jury, the hosts, the participants, the organizers, from episode 1 to episode 6, whoever has participated, whoever has been associated with the show, have been summoned. That summons have been issued to Ranveer Elabadi, Samay Raina, Rakhi Sawant, Poonam Pandey, Urfi Javed, and various others, whoever has participated in the show, and this is an investigation. Section 41A notices will also be given if the participants, the organizer, the accused who have been booked do not appear before Maharashtra Cyber Police Station. Section 41 notice will be given, and if they do not appear after that notice, they can be arrested for non-cooperation. But before their arrest, the police will have to give them a Section 41A notice.
At this rate, what we're essentially perhaps going to see, and I wouldn't be surprised, is the audience of the show also being summoned, anyone who watched the show online also being summoned, because apparently this is going to be a very wide investigation. But are we taking things too far here? Yes, he made an offensive comment, a vulgar, crass joke. He's apologized for it. But even if there are complaints, FIRs being lodged against Ranveer Elabadia, that investigation will go on. But now anyone who's had any association with the show is also being pulled up. Thanks very much, Divyesh, for joining us with those details.